Now, I've been using this room to cut skirting board, stud work and other bits of wood during my build, so it's become a bit of a dumping ground. But now it needs clearing out, ready to lay the new flooring. It's going to be a heavy duty job, so it needs a vacuum cleaner designed for the task. This is where a wet and dry vacuum cleaner comes in. This WD3 from Kärcher has a 1000 watt motor, making it powerful but also energy efficient. It's ideal for self-builders and renovators tackling a project like this. It can suck up pretty much anything from sawdust to nails and screws with its 2-meter long hose. There's also different attachments too to get right into the hard to reach places. It'll even blow debris or dust out of the recesses in your mitre or table saw. I'm quite new to this machine, but if I'd had the WD3 earlier, I'd probably have cleaned up more as I went along. This model is really lightweight, so it's easy to wheel out after a DIY job, and then disposing of the dust afterwards is a piece of cake too.